Hi everyone, so today is going to be a massive declutter, clean and decorate with me, and we're going to be working on the kids room and also the kitchen. And I'm so happy to finally tackle their room because I've been putting this off for so long. Like, you guys don't even understand. This room, like the kids room, have been scaring me for so long.
What's it gonna take for you to love, me? What's it gonna take for you to show, feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love me? Yeah.
All right, guys, so this is what we are working with, and I know this room is a mess, and we've been planning on just fixing the kids room for so long because this used to be, this was the room they kind of grew into, right? They had their baby things, their Barbie dream house, their basketball. You guys know it was a mess, guys. It was a mess. And the girls, they've been telling us that they are big girls now, that we need to upgrade, or like we need to fix their room to big girls room, that they don't play with their Barbies no more, they don't play with basketball, they are more into games these days. So I told them, I said, once they are out of school, right, once school closes down, that we're going to work on it. So of course they were out of school last week. They were off for summer holiday until September. So I knew we had to tackle this. So finally, guys, we decided to start it this evening, of which I was like, oh my gosh, like, who sent me job? Who told me to start this in the night? That's basically why this video is called After Dark, clean and decorate with me, because I think we started this project around 8 p.m. and surprisingly, like, we ran through the night, guys. It's not even funny at all. Like, it got to a point, I think like around 12, everybody was tired. We had to put everything off and then started the next day. But the first thing we're going to do is to go ahead and declutter, because you guys, like, the kids have too many things. They had things all over their room. Like, oh my gosh, I was telling them, I said excuse me, I don't know how they did it, like, to be in all the declutter, like all the clutter, everything. They have all their toys on their bed, because I remember when I told them that I wanted to take their toys off their bed, they were so angry. When they were younger, I think when they were 5, I wanted to kind of pack up their soft toys. They refused. So I guess finally they decided that they are done with the toys or whatever. So of course, the first thing we did was to go ahead and declutter, move everything out. And then of course the kids also, they were so helpful because they helped me a lot. They helped me to move things. Now we're just going ahead to wipe and clean, everything, like just total cleaning, guys. I mean, total wipe down. Honestly, guys, I'm so thankful for this too, because I don't know what I would have done. This was a whole lot of job. Like, everybody was literally exhausted. I'm so happy that we didn't end up having to sweep and clean, because we have this amazing robot cleaner, guys. Like, this right here is a magic machine. So this is the Dreambot L10 Pro vacuum, which is basically a robot vacuum, guys. Like, this literally does your sweeping for you. It has a precise navigation and 3D environment mapping. All you have to do is just turn it on, set it, and it does the job for you. It has an intelligent object recognition and avoidance. Also has 4 suction modes to meet various cleaning needs and requirements. So you basically just choose whatever cleaning needs you have, guys. And also, one thing I noticed with this is it works so well with carpet or even wood floor. Is just an amazing amazing product. Also, it has a brushless motor from Nidec and has a 2.5 extra long runtime. We were so happy to put this machine to a test because the kids' room had a lot of dirt, and let me tell you guys, when I mean we laid down and just relaxed, and this vacuum literally swept the whole room. Like, guys, oh my gosh, we were so shocked. The kids, they were just laying in bed. I was laying in bed and we were just watching this vacuum. Of course, it also works with an app. You can download the app and then you can, use your phone to control it, like to direct it on where to go. This right here is, oh my gosh, I don't even know what to say. Honestly, I was so happy because, like I said, we were all tired, and just imagine having to physically go and sweep, when it was so late. So this right here, we just set it on the floor, and the kids, they actually had fun with it. As you all can see, Angelique and Angel, they were all over the place. It works with Alexa voice control, dynamic route planning, and specific area cleaning, and has a 270 ml water tank, smart water control for floor protection, simultaneous dry and wet cleaning. You can definitely check the link in my description box for all the info and also link to this product. Alright, so by the next day, the room is already ready. Like, you guys, it was ready for us to go ahead and do whatever it is we want to do with it. And of course, everything from their room was moved to my kitchen, so I have to, at the end of the day, go ahead and clean up the kitchen. But what we're doing here is kind of rearranging everything, discarding the things that are no more needed, because they have like some products that we just don't need. And also, they used to put like their powder and things like that, their lotion on top of the TV stand. But then I got these. Of course, everything I have in their room, I'm gonna link in my description box. Their bed, their mattress. The thing you guys can see where I just dropped that thing is actually where they have their clothes. Like, I'm gonna link everything in my description box. But of course, we went ahead and decided to repurpose this curtain. I actually bought this curtain for my living room for summer decor, but then they said they liked it. I wanted to get them a pink curtain, but they said they liked this one, so I had to repurpose it for them. And this right here, immediately we put on the curtains, guys, their room started looking like a girl's room. And another thing about the girls is they absolutely love pink and purple, so we had to work with pink and purple. I feel like every girl like pink. I don't know, I wouldn't say every girl shall, because I know a lot of people that would say, oh, they don't like pink. But me, I love pink. Pink is actually one of my favorite colors. So the twins, Angel likes purple, Angelique likes pink, so we worked with pink and purple for their room. And as you all can see, I decided to kind of do like an art wall for them. They like all this what is it called again? What is this? Arts, abstract art, I think that's what it's called. They like all this all these arts that have things written on them. So we got few for them and we decided to do kind of an art wall. And please, can you just take a moment and hit that like button if you're enjoying this video? It really helps us. Because I went ahead and added a plant on top of that reading table right there. And this is a bean bag. This actually have all their soft toys. I put it there, but then I wasn't feeling it. I actually ended up moving it away from there. And then of course they said they wanted their pictures, so we have their pictures. And I just went ahead and also rearranged their books. They used to put their books inside this storage bin right here, but since we made a lot of space on the cabinet right there, this cabinet, we made a lot of space after rearranging their shoes, so they had kind of space to put their books. And I got this cotton tie bag from Amazon, and of course it's pink, so we used it to hold down their cotton. Over here they are making up their bed. I always allow them to make up their bed and then I finish it up. Of course they don't do an absolute great job, but you know, they just continue practicing and then practice makes perfect, right? So I always just allow them and then I go ahead and finish it up. And of course the bedding is also from Amazon and I'm going to link it in my description box. Of course, they got a new laundry bag and they're adding it up in there, and also they got this cute pink chair right here. They were so happy with the way everything is turning out. And of course, like mommy, like I had to go ahead and add some pink pillow for them. And also we got this floor vase and also some pink pampas grass. Like, you guys, honestly, I was telling them, I said, if I had this kind of room when I was growing up, I'm sure I would have been better as a child. But to be honest, guys, they really liked the way everything turned out. Like, they were so happy. And of course, they decided to add mommy and daddy's picture of them. Daddy was carrying them and I was carrying them. And also we had to burn a candle and the candle had to be purple also. And here we have the finished look, guys.
What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. Backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on.
It's so funny because the kitchen was all the way clean before we started cleaning the children's room. So now the kitchen is a mess because they literally transferred everything from their room to the kitchen. So we literally walked from the kitchen to their room. And yeah, after that I decided to just go ahead and, you know, clean out the kitchen, do the dishes, and, you know, just get the kitchen looking like the rest of the house, because like the garbage was all the way full. So we had to take out the garbage, we had to take out the recycling, and, you know, just quickly do the dishes. Also, I like to go ahead and wipe down everything: my stove, my countertop, my refrigerator, my microwave, everything that needs cleaning. And whenever I cook, guys, I like to just wipe, like clean everywhere. I like, my kitchen is actually my heart. Honestly speaking, like my kitchen, if everywhere in the house is dirty, please let that kitchen be clean. Hubby knows that, the twins knows that. So I always kind of derive joy whenever, you know, I'm cleaning my kitchen. And of course, to clean out the refrigerator, I'm using my sprayware stainless steel cleaner. Absolutely love it. Like, it leaves everything that has stainless steel sparkling, like my refrigerator, my microwave, my dishwasher. I actually have a dishwasher, guys, and I always find myself having to hand wash my dishes. It's ridiculous, like it's crazy, but I use my dishwasher when I have the mood for it, honestly speaking. And of course, once I was done, I knew I didn't have to sweep because I've got my robot cleaner, guys, my robot vacuum. And of course, please don't forget to check out my description box for the info regarding this robot, because this right here is a lifesaver. Just set it there and go your way, and you know, it will do the job for you. And yeah, guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit that like button below and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And Till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.
I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? Yeah. One step forward, two steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for